My appearance, my lord, is for the claimant applicant.
No, I said the applicant himself is not there. You are for the claimant applicant. That's
Yes, my lord.
appearance, okay.
Yes.
Doctor who? Can I have that name again? It seems you are muted. Can I have the name again? The name of the counsel representing the applicant. They are muted.
My lord.
Yes, the name of the counsel representing the applicant.
I'm alone. I'm appearing alone, my lord. I'm Dr. Ellen Maliu. I'm the counsel to the applicant, my lord.
Yes, I want your name, please. I can't get the name.
M.M. Aliu.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes, go ahead with your application, please.
Yes, my lord, it is expected application, my lord, slated for hearing. Receive the leave of my lord to move same.
Proceed with same.
Thank you, my lord. My lord, it's brought pursuant to section 6 of 6 of the Constitution of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Order 17, Rule 1, 2, and 14. And Order 22, Rule 1 and 2 of the National Industrial Court of Nigeria, Civil Procedure Rule 2017. And under the inherent powers of this honorable court. My lord, the application is in this honorable court for an interim injunction. Maintain status quo, my lord.
Yes.
The grounds upon which this application is brought are as contained on the face of the motion paper. In support of the application, my lord, there is 19 paragraphs affidavit. The first two by the claimant herself. There are also 4 annexes marked as Exhibit A, B, C, and D. My lord, we put reliance on the environment in the affidavit as well as the exhibits attached to. There is also a written address, my lord, which we respectfully and humbly adopt our argument. And in most respectfully urge my noble lord to grant the application as read. We are most grateful, my lord.
have to say by your words. This is my influence.
Give me the diary. Let's see what we have. Every 7 this. Both of them. This one days, Monday, 14 days. So that's 14 days. And yes, we plan for today, so I think that's 14. Now, 7 days. 14, where does it? Because today is first. We're sitting here. Yes, the 16th. Yeah. And proceed with the ruling regarding the ex parte application. Gidado, are you still connected? Gidado? Gidado? Are you connected?
Yes, my lord, we are connected.
All right, thank you. I'll proceed and quickly read the court's resolution regarding this, the ex parte application.
As God pleases, my lord.
I had learned counsel to, here's the ruling of the court. I had learned counsel to claimant applicant and peruse the affidavit in support of application with written submissions of counsel as contained in the written address filed in support of the application. From the entire processes filed by the claimant, applicant, particularly Exhibit C and D to the affidavit in support of application, I find it pertinent that the defendants be put on notice for the just determination of the matter, thus granting an injunction against defendants at this stage will not be in the interest of justice. I have noted also, in particular, the 3 grounds of the application. And from the claimant's affidavit in support, she's the current provost of Federal College of Education, Technical, Gusau, Zaria Road, Gusau, Zamfara State, duly appointed by the President, Federal Republic of Nigeria. She's relying on Exhibit C and B to affidavit in support. The claimant's ground is that she was asked to resign her appointment following a copy of petition served on her. See paragraphs 8 and 9 of affidavit in support.
No.
The court has noted in particular, I reiterate, Exhibit C and D to the affidavit in support of application. For this reason, the court is not inclined to granting this ex parte application. Consequently, the application is accordingly refused, as the court is not too convinced the applicant has satisfied the requirements of the law to warrant the grant of same. Application is dismissed. Claimant applicant shall put the defendants on notice and serve them with the claimant's motion or notice already filed before the court. So the case is adjourned for definite hearing of that motion or notice which has been filed before the court. Give me the date, please. 16th February, please. 16th February. Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
16th February, 16th February.
Okay, I thought
Friday.
Yes. So we'll take it by 10 a.m., God willing, 16th February for hearing of the motion or notice. So the motion on notice as well as the hearing notice shall be served on the defendants, on the first and second defendants in the suit. So, Gidado, call the next case.
NICS/SP/2019. Astronomy Alpha Jonah and G others by the NPS Microfinance Bank US.
Do we have the parties online or in court?
The fourth claimant is in court, my lord.
Fourth claimant, is he the one standing there?
Yes, my lord, he's here. The fourth.
16 Friday.
All right, so I can see him. So other claimants are absent. Any counsel, please.
Hello, attention. Anaka. Appear with FJ and
Please hold on.
the claimant. All the claimant.
Appearing with who?
FJ and
Spell the last name.
FJ and ANCNE.
Okay. How about defendant's counsel?
Yes, with utmost humility, Dr. M. Aliu, my lord.
Yes, counsel.
Hello, the matter is for continuation of defense.
I don't have the matter for continuation of defense. It's here for mention. Why is it for mention here?
Okay.
Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
Why do you have the matter here for mention?
No, my lord. It is a error. Under one position is for Abdul Wahab and Abdul Wahab Dauda Abdullahi by Sterling Bank PLC. And Abu Bakr Muhammad by the State Bank.
So if it's for defense, then we'll have to start all that you have put here on the cost list. Read mention.
If we have two mentions, my lord.
Sorry?
We have two matters for mention.
Okay, so let's take those ones for mention. I'll stand this one down.
Stop, please.
So counsel will stand this one down. Give me the ones for mention.
Escort, please.
We have a judgment to deliver for Abuja, so I thought they were all for mention.
NIC/SK/04/23. Abdul Wahab Dauda Abdullahi and Sterling Bank PLC. For mention.
So the parties are absent here.
But is absent. The claimant is in the court, my lord.
Where is he? I can't see anyone in court there. Where is the claimant?
They would have.
I is not in court.
Is that the claimant?
Yes, my lord.
Defendant absent. Yes, counsel, announce your appearance if you are there.
May it please, my lord. My name is Ahmed Musa Fili. Ahmed Musa Fili.
Oh, okay, Philip.
Yes, Fili spelled as Fili.
Oh, Fili.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, Ahmed Musa Philip. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My appearance is for the claimant, and the claimant is in court.
Yes, it's on record.
Thank you.
Respectfully,
Defendant
my lord.
counsel, please.
Respectfully, my lord. My name is Michael Obasikene. Michael.
Spell the last name.
O-B.
Okay, I can see it here, Obasikene, yes.
My humble appearance, my lord, is for the defendant. My humble appearance is for the defendant.
We have just a defendant here, not two. Okay. Yes, counsel.
Yes, my lord. The matter is came up for mention.
Yeah, it's coming up for the first time.
Yes, my lord.
And it's hereby mentioned.
Yes, and the defendant has been served.
Yes, counsel.
However, we have not been received by the with any statement of defense from the defendant.
Yes, counsel.
And the defendant is out of time to file his defense.
All right. Yes, counsel.
As a result,
my lord, we have just been briefed.
Hold on, allow him to finish. Yes, counsel. Claimant's counsel.
We'll be asking for a date for hearing, my lord.
My lord, we have just been briefed, and we are taking steps to put in our processes.
Okay, and the court will continue to wait for you.
Absolutely not, my lord. We have just recently been briefed, and we are putting our house in order to put our processes before the court. I will do that before the next adjourned date, man.
Yes, registrar here in Abuja. When do we have the Sokoto matters? I thought there was one for February. No. For Sokoto, when? And this should be for further mention. 6th day of March.
It's convenient.
6th day of March. 6th March is convenient, my lord.
Yes, claimant's counsel.
Yes, my lord, it's convenient too.
So, defendant's counsel, you file all the required processes, including your motion to regularize, and have all those served on the claimant's counsel before the next hearing date.
As the court pleases.
So case further mentioned, adjourned to 6th day of March 2024.
As court pleases.
As court pleases.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes, call the next one, please. Yes, call the next case. Do we have counsel online, please, on SKO 5/2023? Abubakar Mohammed and First Bank of Nigeria Limited. Gidadu, are you there? I can't hear you.
Parties absent, my lord.
Okay, parties are absent.
Yes, my lord.
Any counsel?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my lord, we are here.
Yes, announce your appearance.
Yeah, I know.
Network is beginning to.
Anaka,
Okay, yes, Anaka, yes.
appearing with FJ Anene for the claimants.
Okay, is that the Anene by your side?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, defendant counsel.
My lord, with profound respect of this honorable court. My lord, my name is Christopher Oga.
Christopher?
Oga is O-G-A-R.
O-G-A-R?
O-G-A-R.
R-U. Yes?
My humble appearance for the defendant.
Yes, Anaka.
Yes, my lord. My lord, this matter is slated today for mention. My lord,
Yes.
on the part of the claimants, our processes are in. And we are just in receipt of the defendant's statement of defense this morning in court. And we intend to look at it to see if there will be a need for us to reply to the statement of defense. But in the meantime, my lord will be asking for a date for pretrial conference.
Yeah, do we maintain the same date for further mention? What date is that? 6th of March.
6th of March.
5th of March.
My lord,
Oh, 06.
the date for pretrial conference, my lord.
I'm not giving you any date for pre-trial conference. So you go and sort out all that you need to sort out with the defendant, the documents you want to make use of at trial. I hope you know I'm conducting this proceeding from Abuja here virtually. So you sort out the documents that you're going to make use of at the trial, the witnesses that will be taken, and all pleadings should be exchanged so that you save the time of the court, knowing that we are doing this virtually, except you are coming down to Abuja, but I will not be coming to Sokoto. So you agree amongst yourselves. If you want to come to Abuja, you'll be welcome, but the court will not be in Sokoto. I'm not traveling there to Sokoto.
My lord, in that case, we'll be asking for a date for hearing so that before the date, we might have sorted out our process, all the documents we intend to use. There's no need for further mention anymore since they have filed their purpose. And if you are to file a reply, we'll file before that date. And then the case will come up for hearing.
That's right.
So do you both agree to that date,
Yes.
the 16th day of...
Yes, my lord, we both agree.
Sorry, 6th day of March, not 16th.
Yes, 6th day of March is convenient for hearing, my lord.
So it is upon agreement of council that the date 6th day of March 2024 has been considered by the court for definite hearing. All pleadings shall be filed and exchanged before the next hearing date. Also, claimant counsel to prepare witness and settle all documents for use at trial with defendant counsel.
All
right, thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
You're welcome. Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
So we'll stand down number 8 on the leader, SK16. We stand it down for 20 minutes. So we'll resume afterwards to take that SK16 2019. We have a judgment to deliver here in Abuja. So we stand it down. So you make sure you get connected back just in the next 20 minutes.
All these files.
Sorry, I can't say too much. Magana shi ne in ba wasu mutane suna nan ko
They are not connected. It's charging. It's Adebayo. Tell Rashima to call them. Well, they are not ready so that we can take a deal. I thought you said it was past. Is it not just past 12?
Yes,
Why did you tell me that and it was past 12?
6 minutes to 12.
Maybe that time. 20 after 12. No, that time told me 6 minutes past 12. Okay. 6 minutes to 12.
Yes,
Okay. Yes, have you told them? Okay, they are connecting. Yes, Gidado.
Yes, my lord, we are connected, my lord.
All right. Yes. So do we have the same legal representation? NN Anaka.
Anaka.
NN Anaka for claimant.
Yes, my lord.
Why is the witness?
With FK and NN for claimant.
Yes, my lord.
Dr. Liu for defendant. Is the defendant counsel there?
Yes, my lord, they are in court.
The case is for continuation of defense.
Yes, my lord.
Do we have the defendant witness present? Yes, is defendant counsel connected or in court? Yes, defendant counsel, the case is for defense, continuation of defense. Gidado, do we have the defendant's counsel in court? Yes, Gidado.
Yes, my lord.
Where is the defendant's counsel?
The both counsels, the claimant and the defendant are in court, my lord.
Yes, can I hear from them? Is the witness, are you ready?
Talk.
Yes, my lord. Just get out himself. He said, okay, let him come inside.
Yes, my lord, the witness is in court.
Where is he?
Come, let my lord see your face. Look down.
So let him go into the witness box.
Enter witness box.
Yes, defendant's counsel.
Yes, my lord. He is still on oath, my lord.
Yes.
Mr. Ezra, remember you are still on oath. You are firm tell the truth before this honorable court.
Very well.
At paragraph 29 of your deposition, which you earlier adopted before this honorable court, you made mention of bank statement, third and fourth complainant, which we tendered the statement and admitted by this honorable court as Exhibit D5, D6, and D7. You also took on the certificate of compliance, the result of that.
Which exhibits are you referring to, please?
My lord, we already
you referred him to paragraph 29 of his statement.
Of his deposition, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, we tendered bank statements which were admitted as Exhibit D5 and D7.
Okay.
My lord, there is certificate of compliance which we tender a result of such three statements.
Yes.
If you can see that certificate, can you identify it?
Yes, I can identify it.
How?
It's on our bank letterhead, and I also signed that copy.
Yes.
My lord, we apply the document be shown to the witness.
Yeah, show him.
I've seen it, my lord.
Yes. Yeah, is that the document?
Yeah, this is the document.
My lord, having the witness identify the document, we seek to tender some in evidence.
Gilado, are you there? Yes, can you confirm that document, please?
Yes, madam.
I want to see the document, Gidado.
It's here, my lord. The document is here, my lord.
Can you show me? Is it possible to see it through the screen there?
This is my lord.
Okay, that's the certificate of compliance.
Yes,
All
yes,
right.
ma'am.
From which bank?
From the defendants, my lord. Defendants Bank, NFP Police Microfinance Bank.
Yes. Claimants Council.
DD.
My lord.
Aliu.
Now, my lord, we are seek to tender some in evidence.
Sorry, Claimants Council. Anaka, have you seen the document?
My lord, I've seen the document. This is quite strange.
I can't hear you.
My lord, I think it's quite strange. Bringing this document in mind is quite strange. On the last agenda, when you say we completed the and reserve our address for the address page. How do you understand our defect? The defect in that statement? We now bring it to document. It can be done.
Which one?
My lord.
Yes, sir, Anaka, I can't hear you.
My lord, what I'm saying is that on the last adjourned date,
yes,
when this document was tendered, that is the statement of account of the claimants from Police Microfinance Bank, we objected to the document and said we are going to reserve our reasons, or we are going to state our reasons in our final address.
Okay.
But I'm surprised that for the fear of our reasons that we will give in final address, this is now bringing, the defendant counsel is now bringing this document. I don't know if it's a proper procedure to follow. Because when the statement of account was tendered, it was ordinarily ought to be tendered with the certificate of compliance and not bringing the certificate of compliance on a later date. So, my lord, we are objecting to the admissibility of these documents.
Yes, hold on now to refer to the records quickly. Yes, we had the court had admitted exhibit D4 in evidence. That's I think that should be the statement. Where are the exhibits, please? Where are the exhibits? This one. Where is D4? All the exhibits. For the claimant. Where's defendant? Where are the exhibits for the defendant? Where are they? Let's see. For the claimant, can you check if you mix them up there? These are all for the claimants. The statements of account, we suspend that's exhibit D4. Is there any D4 there?
My lord, the exhibits we are referring is exhibit D5, D6, and D7, which are the statement of account printed from the defendant's bank, my lord.
Yes, because counsel, you cannot, yes, I'm just referring to the records. The statement of account is already in evidence, and I had granted leave to counsel that at the stage of address.
My lord, this case we were stopped abruptly while our witness was leading the court.
You never mentioned any certificates of compliance, counsel. So you cannot now come at this stage to bring in certificates of compliance. When that document was already tendered, the statement of account, to which you want to now bring in the certificates of compliance.
My lord, we are not bringing the certificate of compliance now. We are not bringing it, my lord. We are taking steps when we are taking our document by one tendering. My lord said we should stop that time in the midway. That's why we could not finish, we could not conclude our evidence in chief. We are stopped abruptly.
Where were you? So, counsel, I have the last exhibit here as exhibit. Can you call me Bashina, please? I need the exhibits for the defendants. The last exhibit here from my records is exhibit D7.
Yes, my lord. Then this document is in respect of D5, D6, and D7.
Started with documents admitted in evidence, that's exhibit D5, one Namboots platform or something, 16th January 2020. Then we went ahead, Yusuf Mohammed Rabilu. Then exhibit D6, Atume Iyaku, Jonah 16/10/20. And the exhibit D7, Zuera Haruna. Then now the court now said this John.
Yes, my lord.
Court will adjourn to attend to other matters. So I think
that is why we start. This document,
all right,
my lord, I can look at it. It has.
I've seen it from the records. Yes,
it is what
case adjourned to 9 February for continuation.
So it's just continuation.
Counsel shall conclude. Conclude examination in chief of DW1. Okay. Yes.
Yes,
so Anaka, I think from the records, he was here to conclude that that aspect of examination in chief regarding those documents. And because from here, you had even referred to that paragraph 29. I can see it here. You had referred.
My lord. What we, on behalf of the claimant, are saying is that the certificate of compliance is in respect of the statement of accounts which the defendant's counsel tendered on the last adjourned date.
Yes, the court will still refer to its records again. Please, we don't need to overflow this.
My lord, what I'm saying is that as at the last adjourned date, this document was not in court. He did not make reference to it in anywhere. Bringing it now today is like bringing surprise.
Let's stop us along the line while we were
bringing surprise.
One by one. No surprise. We tendered this thing one by one. When we are coming to this thing, stop us. Look at it itself. It's even faded, my lord. We have to try to read it because it's our file.
Yes, Anaka, I have you on record. I have you on record. If I need to go over the entire, because I still want to see this, where are the exhibits?
All the exhibits. This is what happened.
That's not all the exhibits. There's no, where are the exhibits for the defendant? Okay, so let's check the file. Yes, Yes, Counsel, I need to follow the sequence of how this, because you know this thing has been done virtual, so I need to follow the sequence and the records so that I can properly make pronouncement on this issue. So whether the claimant, the defendant can bring this, yes, because I have to look at the records and this as well. If there's anything regarding that certificate of compliance, yes. So in the interest of justice to both parties, yes.
My lord, certificate of compliance always follows statement of account.
That's the counsel. I said I will look at everything, the records, yes.
Thank you, my lord. It always follows. I've never done it this way before.
Yes, we'll check. That's the statement. Counsel, I will check my records and the sequence in which the documents, I will check the records. So I will not entertain any arguments now. We'll give you a short date. I will refer to my records. My lord, then I will decide this. Yes, I think that's the best. We have to look at everything.
My lord, the problem we are having, my lord, our witness is coming from Abuja. This is the second time coming. Today we are looking. Happen, my lord. And now we wanted to.
We either stand it down or you take another date. I will not rush this. I must confirm the sequence in which these documents were tendered. And I make a pronouncement of same. So we either stand it down for the next 30 minutes or we take a short date.
My lord, we can stand down so that if you go in,
all right,
you cross-examine today and go back to, we finish this case, my lord.
What's the time now? So we give them 1:30. So the case is stood down until 1:30.
My lord, my lord.
Gidado, yes, 1:30, please.
It's here, which is not sent down to Abuja.
Sorry?
I saw some evidence in the case file here.
That's for the defendant. Yes, we made use of the front-loaded ones here.
As what this is, my lord.
So you still send those ones to me. Those are the originals. So I think so, yes. So we made use of the front-loaded ones in the file here. So it was on the file that I marked them tentatively. So you have to send those ones down to Abuja.
That's what this is.
So meanwhile, the case is stood down until 1:30.
That's what please.
Thank you.
Thank you. I have